Rick Angeles. I'm the CEO and executive producer of Exhibits Today. So, 1990, I went to abroad to work as an OFW, as a designer. We learned a lot of designs, technology, doing projects in Singapore, Dubai, Europe. When 2008 came, so I resigned from my work. I came back to Philippines to establish my new company. It's called Binyo Designs. 2013, so naisip namin, gawa kami ng social media channel to support the industry, yung mga organizers and exhibitors. We've been partners of so many organizers promoting their events. We interview, we promote their products and services. Now that we are expanding our social media, of course, ipapasalamat kami sa mga followers natin, sumusuporta sa atin. Ngayon, kung meron kayong mga gustong i-organize or mga companies who's watching us and you want to promote your company and your services, you can contact us anytime. Madalas kami sa SMX Convention, and actually we consider SMX as one of the birthplace ng Exhibits Today. Laman kami ng SMX Convention, and sometimes we are in the World Trade Center. And I think SMX Convention is the best venue. Siya yung pinakamalaki na venue rito sa Pilipinas, ang state-of-the-art facility. So many events are happening there the whole year. We're very happy to be another social media partner. Siyempre, pagdating sa Convention Center, there's only one. This SMX, the best in the Philippines. Exhibits Today, marami kaming plano. Thinking of covering events overseas, somewhere in Southeast Asia. Siyempre, priority natin dito muna sa atin. Yeah, isa yun sa plan namin to bring more exhibitors, investors, and tourists. Siguro dito muna tayo sa Pilipinas. Then later on, we expand outside. I-invite namin kayo to like, follow, and share. Marami po kayong makikita ron, yung mga kaganapan dito sa ating bayan, major events. And makikita nyo rin, marami tayong fini-feature dyan. Or if you're an organizer planning to get more exhibitors, you can partner with us. We can support you in a social media channel. You can also call us so we can support you on your campaign. So maraming salamat po and thank you very much. Hoping to see you soon.